Hello everyone, today I'll show you this impressive AI tool that I just found. It's called ReRoom AI. This tool is particularly helpful for homeowners who want to upgrade their homes and want to get interior design ideas without actually hiring an interior designer. Also, obviously, interior designers can also use it to make their design process more efficient and deliver better designs to their customers. So let's start. First of all, just go to Google and type ReRoom AI. Press enter. The first website that appears is of ReRoom AI. Just click on it. It says photorealistic renders for interior design, and it's giving an example of this 3D model of a kitchen and this photorealistic image that this AI tool has created. Let's explore it a bit more. Let's go down. We have more examples in the website that you can explore on your own. What we have to do first is to sign in the website. I'll sign in with my Google account. Okay, after signing in, this page appears. It's pretty simple actually. You just have to add an image of the interior that you want to improve. I'll select an image of this kitchen. Let's start with a kitchen design. The image is loading. So now the image is loaded. It's asking, is this a sketch? No, it's not a sketch. It's asking use the whole picture, change object, change background. I want to use the whole picture, so I'll keep it selected. Now this is the fun part. It's giving different interior styles that we can choose from according to our own needs, our own desires. I think I'll go with the coastal breeze maybe. No, minimalist heaven looks better. So I've selected it and let's move down. Now it's asking about the lighting. The default line is fine for me. Keep details. No, I don't want to keep the details. There are 3 other options that are blocked. They are available in the paid version only. So let's just ignore them for now. Below that we have the render buttons. So let's hit render. The AI is generating the image now. It will take a few seconds. So the image is loaded. And wow, I must say it looks pretty better now. AI has worked on the same lines as we have the placement of the stove and our microwave same as they were before. So let's just save this image, download it, and it's saved in my computer. Now it's asking, are you satisfied with the result? If you are, then that's nice. If not, you can say no and give suggestions. What I want to do is give it another try. I used this minimal heaven effect first. I would like to change it this time and try some other effect. Let's try this Indian theme. Let's go to generate. And it's again generating another image for us. But the result is pretty impressive. I really like this kitchen now. It even resembles the old one with the same wooden tile theme going on, but in a very contemporary style. So this is how you can get multiple interior design ideas for your home. So in the start of the video, I said this tool is also helpful for interior designers as well. So let's give that a try as well. I'll just go to new render. And this time I'll place the image of a SketchUp model that I'm working on right now. So I'll just upload that image. It's a basic waiting area that I have made in SketchUp and I want to develop it further. So let's see what this AI tool can do for me. Let's go down and choose our theme. I will go with maybe contemporary this time. Click on it. Go to render. The image is being created. Okay, don't forget that we are using the free version and we only get 3 credits. That means we can only generate 3 renders with this. You will have to wait for 14 hours before you can get more credits, or you can just buy them using their monthly or annual plan. Anyways, so my image is generated and I must say it looks so beautiful. Even though I had windows over here that AI has misread maybe and placed these golden frames over here. I cannot close these windows. I need shades on it. Other than that, it looks pretty nice. I particularly like these lights that are flushed with the wall. I think I'll use this idea in the final render that I will create. Let me quickly just download this image. The image is downloaded. So in my opinion, we cannot say that this particular AI tool will simply replace interior designers, as it just creates beautiful images, giving us some idea about how our space will look with these changes. But the human touch is missing and we do not have that control over the final outcome. Moreover, we should keep an eye out as technology is bound to improve over time. If you found our content to be informative, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to keep watching our videos regularly. Take care, goodbye.